I love Kinder Eggs! Paw Patrol Kinder Eggs! Welcome to FoolyFun! Come on, let's play! Kinder Eggs!
Kinder Eggs.
Kinder Eggs.
Kinder Egg. How do you
Amen. Happy Hanukkah.
I open this.
Open it, Abigail.
Okay. Carefully open. Don't open, Mommy. Don't open.
Okay. She can open it.
Paw Patrol golden Paw Patrol eggs.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. Will be there
Wow,
on
they're
the
gold.
double.
Yeah.
You got your gold gilt. Awesome.
I hear something.
What is it that you hear?
I hear nothing in both of these. This one has something I hear, and this one doesn't in this one.
Wow.
Let's open this
Hey, he's
one.
wearing a Paw Patrol shirt.
What do you know?
Yeah, because of the Paw Patrol eggs.
Do you want to sing us the Paw Patrol song while we...
Paw Patrol will be there on the double.
Do you want me to sing with you?
Yeah. Paw Patrol, it's quite hard.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Leave it on the
will be
table,
there
Abigail.
on the double.
Leave it on the
Whenever
table.
there's a problem, Brown Adventure Bay, Ryder and his team of pups will come and save the day. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, yeah, they're on the way. Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble. Paw Patrol will be there on the double. No jobs too big, no pups too small. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. So here we go. Paw Patrol, whoa-oh. Paw Patrol, whoa-oh. Paw Patrol.
Yes, Kinder Egg. Alright, let's crack the egg open.
Really?
Woo! I got a Paw Patrol. Yummy, yummy. It's Marshall.
It's Marshall. It's a Marshall bracelet.
Hold on. Wow, Abigail. That's amazing.
A Marshall bracelet.
Woo! I got cheese.
Awesome. Is it a bracelet too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
Chase! Marshall, Rubble, Chase! Rocky, Zilla, Sky!
We're on the case.
Whoa.
No kidding. Thank you so much, Mommy, for getting us all these Kinder Eggs.
Yeah.
Abigail, you didn't
Yeah.
open this one first. You have a treat in here.
See what's in the treat.
What's in there?
Dude, she does it like a 2-year-old should.
Yeah. Rocky! It's a sticker!
Oh, amazing, Abigail. Do you love it?
I hope I get a sticker too.
Bet you do.
I mean, I hope I get. Oh, another bracelet?
Wow, I get a Zuma bracelet.
What? Am I going to get another bracelet in my other package? No, give it. I didn't even think that was her present. Hope I get the same thing.
Oh, it's a stamper, a Marshall stamper.
Oh, man. Can I get the same thing? I don't even know if there's a stamper in here or not. I want a stamper. Oh, yummy.
It's Marshall.
Yummy.
More garbage. more garbage.
Got 2 bracelets, and what else, Rafael?
I don't even know. I'm still opening this egg. One more.
Do it one time really hard. Look. Don't spam it. Do it.
Smash it. Alright, let's see what Rafael got.
Oh man,
Good job,
it better
Abigail.
be a
Good job.
sticker. Oh, fuck with that. Yummy. Daddy.
Yes, it is.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Open it.
1, 2, 3. Better not be a stamper.
A sticker.
Really?
Who'd you get?
Rebel.
Rebel.
It's boring with just 2 bracelets and 1 sticker.
Wow, you got 2 bracelets in 1 box. That's great.
Yeah.
Wow. So we got 3 bracelets.
Yeah.
Zuma, Chase, and
Zuma, the best smile ever. Marshall, the best smile ever.
Happy Hanukkah.
Chase, the best smile ever. Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah, Abigail.
Oh, let me see.
Okay, bye.
Marshall.
See you next year in America.
Yay!
Whoa, look at this. Bye. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.